Living in an urban environment often means limited garden space, but a small balcony, patio, or even a sunny windowsill doesn't mean you have to miss out on the joy of fresh, homegrown fruit. Growing fruit trees in pots is a rewarding and practical solution for any homeowner. Successful container gardening starts with the right foundation. Choose a pot that is at least 15-20 gallons in size for most fruit trees, ensuring it has excellent drainage holes. Terracotta pots are breathable, but plastic or glazed ceramic can retain moisture better. Use a high-quality potting mix specifically designed for containers, not garden soil. This provides the necessary aeration and drainage while retaining moisture and nutrients. A good mix prevents compaction and root rot, which are common issues in pots. Consistent watering is crucial for potted fruit trees. They dry out faster than in-ground plants, so check the soil moisture regularly and water deeply when the top inch feels dry. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root problems. Fertilize your trees according to their specific needs and growth stage. A balanced slow-release fertilizer or a liquid feed applied regularly during the growing season will support healthy growth and fruit production. Always follow product instructions carefully. Pruning is essential for maintaining size, shape, and fruit yield in containers. Regular pruning encourages new growth and helps manage the tree's overall health. Research the best pruning techniques for each specific fruit tree you choose. Finally, ensure your potted fruit trees receive adequate sunlight, typically at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun daily. In colder climates, be prepared to move sensitive trees indoors or provide winter protection to prevent frost damage. Dwarf citrus trees are perhaps the most popular choice for container gardening. Varieties like Meyer lemons, key limes, and improved dwarf navel oranges adapt beautifully to pots. Their fragrant blossoms and vibrant fruit add beauty and utility. They require plenty of sunlight and consistent moisture, but dislike soggy feet. Use a well-draining, slightly acidic potting mix. Protect them from frost by moving them indoors during colder months, ideally near a bright window. Fig trees are incredibly resilient and productive in containers. Varieties like brown turkey or Chicago hardy are excellent choices. They produce delicious sweet fruit and have attractive lobed leaves. Figs prefer full sun and can tolerate some drought once established, but consistent watering improves fruit quality. They benefit from a rich, well-draining potting mix. In colder zones, bring them indoors or insulate the pot for winter. Enjoy juicy peaches and nectarines even without an orchard. Many dwarf varieties, such as Bonanza peach or Necta Z nectarine, are bred specifically for container growing. They offer beautiful spring blossoms and sweet summer fruit. These trees need full sun and regular watering, especially when fruiting. A balanced fertilizer during the growing season supports their vigorous growth. Pruning is important to maintain their compact size and encourage fruit production. Blueberries are perfect for pots, especially if your garden soil isn't acidic enough. High bush and half-high varieties like Sunshine Blue or Top Hat thrive in containers. They offer delicious berries, attractive foliage, and fall color. Blueberries demand acidic soil, so use a potting mix specifically formulated for acid-loving plants. They need consistent moisture and full sun. Fertilize with an acid-specific fertilizer to ensure optimal growth and fruit yield. Yes, you can grow apples in pots. Look for columnar apple varieties or those grafted onto dwarf rootstock, such as Urban Apple Series or Honeycrisp on M27 rootstock. These trees remain compact and produce full-sized fruit. Apple trees need full sun and consistent watering. They often require a second apple variety nearby for cross-pollination, even in pots, unless you choose a self-fertile type. Pruning is key to managing their size and encouraging fruiting spurs. Olive trees are not just for Mediterranean climates. Dwarf varieties like Arbequina or Little Ollie can thrive in containers. They are beautiful ornamental trees that can also produce olives with proper care. Olives prefer full sun and well-draining soil. They are relatively drought-tolerant once established, but benefit from regular watering in pots. Protect them from hard freezes by moving them indoors or covering them during winter. Pomegranates are stunning trees with vibrant flowers and unique, delicious fruit. Dwarf varieties like Nana or Wonderful are excellent for container culture. They are quite adaptable and resilient. They love full sun and can tolerate a range of soil conditions, but prefer well-draining soil. Consistent watering during the growing season is beneficial, especially as fruit develops. Pomegranates are relatively low maintenance once established. Dwarf mulberry varieties, such as Isai or Black Beauty on dwarf rootstock, are fast-growing and prolific fruit producers. They offer sweet berries over a long season and are surprisingly adaptable to container life. Mulberries prefer full sun and a well-draining potting mix. They are relatively drought-tolerant but will produce more fruit with consistent moisture. Regular pruning helps manage their size and encourages a bushier habit. Growing fruit trees in pots is an incredibly rewarding endeavor for any urban dweller or homeowner. With these 8 fantastic options, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown fruit right outside your door, regardless of your garden size. Remember to choose the right pot, use quality soil, and provide consistent care. Happy gardening!